Hello student. Today we are continuing our previous chapter history chapter 1 beginning of the modern period. Okay, and today our topic is sources of information. What is sources? A large bulk of sources including written word records in English and regional languages are available for the modern period of Indian history. What is included? These include both administrative and non-administrative sources. Let us find out what sources historians use in writing about the last 250 years of Indian history. And your first point is administrative records. Administrative record. With the invention of the printing press, there was a great growth in the production of books, magazine, newspaper and journals. This provided the basis of what happened during a particular periods. Next, what is the sources? Literary sources. In literary sources, individual writings as well as government records of the British administration. And what the British felt? British felt the need of the preservation of important documents and letters. Thus, records room were set up. And the next sources was newspapers. Newspapers are another important literary sources. They are very important as they capture the spirit of time. And in newspaper carries news, cartoons, letter, editorial and even advertisement. Okay, and the next sources was in the National Archives of India, built in the 1920s. There are innumerable documents available for the period under study. Okay, what is archives? What is archive? Meaning of archive? It has a vast space for preserving and protecting all these invaluable records and uses scientific methods for preservation. And our next point is surveying and mapping. What is surveying and mapping? Besides literary sources, maps, photographs, painting and statues are constitute an important part of sources. Surveying became a common practice under the colonial administration. The first Surveyor General of India was appointed in 1815. And what is survey? They were also given a lot of importance by the British because they believed that survey would enable them to effectively administer the country and know the people better. By the early 19th century, detailed survey were being carried out to the map the entire country. These helped the British official prepare detailed records of the number of people in all the provinces of India. Okay, come to the next point, official records. What is official records? These records tell us a lot about what the official thought, what they were interested in and what they wished to preserve for posterity. Posterity means our future, our next generation. They preserve for these documents for the next generation. This is called posterity. Okay. There are other sources which we find in plenty. These are diaries of people, account of travelers, autobiographies, magazine and journals. All these are sources to get the knowledge of history. Okay. Many books were written on the history of India. Who has written the book? Vincent Smith. Many newspapers were published in India, not only in English but also in Tamil, Gujarati, Bengali, Urdu and Persian. The most famous were Bal Gangadhar Tilak's Kesari, and all of you Kesari movie, most of the you seen the movies that starred Akshay Kumar on this book Kesari. Okay, and next day you have to, this chapter is finished. Okay, explaining is finished, and next day, from next day you have to write the exercises, and for writing the history chapter you make a new copies, both sided 2-line copy. Okay, like a Hindi copy you have to make. Old student already know the, but new student, new admission, if maybe don't know that, they all of you have to make a new copy for history. Okay, thank you.